Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and I love water bottles. I don't know what it is, but I just love water bottles. And this one right here from Simple Modern has become one of my favorites. This is the black leopard print, and I think it is so cute. It is a really nice monotone look, but that leopard print just stands out and makes it so fun and so cute. Personally, I got this specific size for the capacity, but also because it came with two different lids. I am weird and I like to have a variety of different options, whether I'm drinking out of a straw or whether I want it to have the Chug lid. And so having two lids has been really convenient for me. I like that each of the lids also has a little carrying handle, so when I do take this with me on the go, I'm able to really conveniently just grab it by the handle and carry it around. The water bottle itself is well built. I am able to put ice in here, fill it up with water, and honestly, if I don't drink it, the water is still cold the next day. It is a high quality water bottle. For me, fun water bottles just help me to drink more water throughout the day. So not only does this one make drinking water super fun, but the large capacity and two different variations of style of tops makes it one of my favorites. And that's just my point of view.